channel. Welcome back to my channel. Where am I? Stop it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Blah, blah, blah. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi. Why do I do that? You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a wig review. This gorgeous girl is Rock Me from the Statement Lines wig company. So I have a full review on Rock Me in another color, and then this is a wig styling tutorial collab. So look for that in my wig company playlist. Kit is here. Today I have a wig from Belle Tress, and this is Italian Roast. She's a synthetic lace front wig, and I got her in the color Cappuccino with Cherry. I got her from Wig Outlet. This is Dawn. Dawn's modeling her right now. So this is her. And I got her from Wig Outlet for $99.95. And I would have gotten like 20 or 30% off. I only ever buy them at that price. So this is her. Let's look at her key up construction. It's in. So she's got this lace front right here. This lace front edge and the monofilament carding. And the color is just so stunning. It is like a number 4, but they just has, you know, it's got these like really light pieces going on. It's got these just sort of like honey pieces going on. It's almost like a white, like a grayish going in there. So I'm really excited for this. She does not have any combs in the front. She has no combs in the back. Adjustable straps are like the bra strap kind. I have not yet reviewed a wig from Belle Tress, so I'm very, very excited. Belle Tress has a wig called Tia Maria that I really want to get and review, just like, duh. But I have not done that yet. I would love to review her. Let me get her on, get her together. I don't think it's going to take much at all. And then we will talk about her. My gosh, this is so dang cute. The wig cap on this is pretty big because I tightened it and it's still like I need a wig grip probably for this. I think this is the cutest wig. OMG. Let's look at her from the back. My gosh. I really like this wig. This is definitely a keeper. So let me know what you think of Italian Roast. If you have this wig and you have any thoughts, go ahead and put those down below. I will leave my Name Brand Wig playlist down below. If there's another Belle Tress wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you next video. Bye.